Celebrities being in the middle of internet gossip is nothing new, and it's not always they speak out against it. But when Wentworth Miller saw an internet meme poking fun at his apparent weight gain, it struck a nerve. Now he's setting the story straight, saying he was suicidal at the time the photo used was taken. The meme shows the Prison Break actor in a before and after type layout, reading, "When you break out of prison and find out about McDonald's monopoly." Miller took to social media, explaining the post reminded him of a low time in his personal life when he was dealing with depression, something he's battled since childhood, and one of the reasons he was keeping a low profile. He goes on to say he turned to food to cope, and seeing the meme hurt to breathe. The Lad Bible, who created the post, has since deleted it and apologized. Addressed directly at Wentworth, it wrote, "We've got this very, very wrong. Mental health is no joke or laughing matter." It ended the write-up with links to various sites to help those suffering from mental health issues. Instead of pointing fingers like paparazzi and celebs often do, it's nice to see both sides of this story step up to advocate for a growing problem. I'm Keleigh Nealon for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.